Welcome to Impart Math Knowledge. Before watching this video, please like, share and subscribe. This video is about angle between the surfaces from vector calculus. Let deta be the angle between the surfaces pi 1 and pi 2. Then cos theta is equal to dot product of del pi 1 del pi 2 divided by magnitude of del pi 1 del pi 2. The next formula is angle between the normals to the surface. Cos theta is equal to dot product of n1 vector n2 vector divided by magnitude of n1 vector n2 vector. In this case, one surface is given. We have to find the normal to the surface del pi and then you have to find del pi at the given points. You will get n1 vector and n2 vector. Now let us move on to the problem. Find the angle between the surfaces x squared minus y squared minus z square is equal to 11 and xy plus yz minus zx is equal to 18 at the point 6, 4, 3. In this problem, two surfaces given. One is pi 1, another one is pi 2. We have to find del pi 1 and del pi 2 and then you have to find del pi 1 at the given point, del pi 2 at the given point. After that, you have to find the magnitude of del pi 1 and del pi 2 and then you can find the angle. The formula for finding the angle for the given surface is cos theta is equal to del pi 1 dot del pi 2 divided by magnitude of del pi 1 magnitude of del pi 2. The first surface we name it as pi 1. Pi 1 is equal to x square minus y square minus z square minus 11. We have to find del pi 1. Del pi 1 is equal to I vector dou pi 1 by dou x plus j vector dou pi 1 by dou y plus k vector dou pi 1 by dou z. We have to differentiate pi 1 partially with respect to x, y and z. Dou pi 1 by dou x. Here first term is x square. So differentiation of x square is 2x. There is no x in other terms, so 0. We have to differentiate pi 1 partially with respect to y. First term x square is there, 0. Second term y square is there. Differentiation of y square is 2y. So minus 2y. Other terms are 0. So dou pi 1 by dou y is minus 2y. Dou pi 1 by dou z. You have to differentiate pi 1 with respect to z. First term 0, second term is 0. Third term contain z square, so minus 2z and the fourth term is 0. So dou pi 1 by dou z is equal to minus 2z. Substitute all the partial derivatives in del pi 1. Del pi 1 is equal to I vector dou pi 1 by dou x is 2x plus j vector dou pi 1 by dou y is minus 2y plus k vector dou pi 1 by dou z is minus 2z. Now we have to find del pi 1 at the given point 6, 4, 3. Del pi 1 is equal to 2 into x value is 6, I vector minus 2, y value is 4, j vector minus 2, z value is 3, k vector. So del pi 1 is equal to 12i vector minus 8j vector minus 6k vector. Modulus of del pi 1 is equal to 12 square minus 8 square minus 6 square. Modulus of del pi 1 is 12 square plus minus 8 square plus minus 6 square. So the value is 244. This can be written as 2 root 61. From the given problem, the second surface is pi 2 is equal to xy plus yz minus zx minus 18. We have to find del pi 2. For that, you have to differentiate pi 2 partially with respect to x, y and z. dou pi 2 divided by dou x. First term contains x, differentiation of x is 1, so 1 into y is y. Second term no x, so 0. Third term x is there, differentiation of x is 1, so 1 into minus z is minus z. And the last term is constant, so 0. So dou pi 2 by dou x is equal to y minus z. Next one, dou pi 2 by dou y. First term contains y, so differentiation of y is 1, so 1 into x is x. Second term y is there, so differentiation of y is 1, 1 into z is z. Third and the fourth term y is not there, so 0. Dou pi 2 by dou z. First term no z, 0. Second term z is there, differentiation of z is 1, so 1 into y is y. Third term z is there, differentiation of z is 1, so minus x. And the last term 0. So dou pi 2 by dou z is y minus x. Substitute all the derivatives in del pi 2, that is I vector y minus z plus j vector x plus z plus k vector y minus x. Next we have to find del pi 2 at the given point 6, 4, 3. Del pi 2 is equal to I vector y value is 4, z value is 3 plus j vector x value is 6, z value is 3 plus k vector y value is 4, x value is 6. So del pi 2 is equal to I vector plus 9j vector minus 2k vector. Magnitude of del pi 2 is square root of 1 square, 9 square plus minus 2 square. So the value is root 86. Next we have to find the angle between two surfaces. Del pi 1 is equal to 12i vector 8j vector minus 6k vector dot del pi 2 is I vector plus 9j vector minus 2k vector. Whole thing divided by modulus of del pi 1 is 2 root 61. 2 root 61. Modulus of del pi 2 is root 86. So cos theta is equal to, take the dot product of the numerator, that is 12 into 1 plus minus 8 into 7 plus minus 6 into minus 2 divided by 2 root 61 root 86. So the value is minus 48 divided by 2 root 61 root 86. So cos theta is equal to minus 24 divided by root of 1296. If you multiply these two, you will get 1296. This implies that theta is equal to cos inverse of minus 24 divided by root of 1296. In this way, you have to find the theta for the given surface. The previous problem, two surfaces and one point is given. Here, one surface and 2 points are given. The formula for angle between the normals is cos theta is equal to n1 vector dot n2 vector divided by modulus of n1 vector modulus of n2 vector. The given surface is xy is equal to z square. Therefore, pi is equal to xy minus z square. The normal to the surface is del pi. So we have to find del pi in the usual manner. For that you have to differentiate pi partially with respect to x, y and z. Dou pi by dou x is equal to, here first term contains x, differentiation of x is 1, so 1 into y is y. Second term 0. Next one dou phi by dou y. First term y is there, differentiation of y is 1, so 1 into x is x. Second term is 0. Next one dou pi by dou z. We have to find dou pi by dou z. First term no z, so 0. In the second term z square is there, differentiation of z square is 2z, so minus 2z. Now del pi is equal to I vector plus j vector x plus k vector minus 2z, that is yi vector plus xj vector minus 2z k vector. At the point 1, 1, 1, the normal is n1 vector is equal to I vector, y value is 1, j vector, x value is 1, k vector minus 2 into 1. So the value is I vector plus j vector minus 2k vector. Next we have to find modulus of n1 vector. Modulus of n1 vector is square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square. So the value is root 6. Next one at the point 4, 1, 2, the normal is n2 vector, that is y value is 1, 1 I vector plus x value is 4, 4 j vector minus 2, z value is 2, so 2 k vector. So n2 vector is I vector, 4j vector minus 4 k vector. n2 vector is I vector plus 4j vector minus 4 k vector. Modulus of n2 vector is square root of 1 square, 4 square plus 4 square. So the value is 33. n1 vector, n2 vector, modulus of n1 vector and modulus of n2 vector is over. Next we have to find the angle between the normals to the surface. Cos theta is equal to dot product of n1 vector, n2 vector divided by magnitude of n1 vector, n2 vector. So this is equal to n1 vector is equal to I vector plus j vector minus 2k vector. I vector plus j vector minus 2k vector dot n2 vector is I vector plus 4j vector minus 4k vector. Whole thing divided by modulus of n1 is root 6 and modulus of n2 is root 33. Take the dot product, first term with the first term, 1 into 1, 1 plus second term with the second term, 1 into 4 is 4. The third term minus 2 into minus 4, that is plus 8, divided by root of 198. This is equal to 13 divided by root 198. So theta is equal to cos inverse of 13 divided by root 198. In this way, you have to find the angle between the normals to the surface. You can expect the problem in two ways. The first case is two surface and one point is given, and the second case is one surface and 2 pointers given. Hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.